simplify this fraction, you multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. So we're going to multiply by 4 plus I times the square root of 3. 4 plus I times the square root of 3. Multiply by the same thing to top and bottom. FOIL the top and FOIL the bottom separately. So when you multiply out the top, FOIL out the top, you get 4 times square root of 5. You get the square root of 5 times I square root of 3. So you multiply the square roots together. 3 times 5 is 15. And the I. Then multiply the I square root of 2 times 4. So that's 4I square root of 2. Then multiply the I square root of 2 times I square root of 3. I times I is I squared. Square root of 2 times square root of 3 is square root of 6. FOIL out the bottom, multiply out the bottom. 4 times 4, 16. Since it's a difference of squares pattern, we just jump to the negative I square root of 3 times positive I square root of 3. That's negative I times I is I squared. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is square root of 9, which is just regular 3. Now we need to combine like terms and simplify what we got from multiplying. So I squared is negative 1, cross it out, change the sign. I squared is negative 1, cross it out, change the sign. So in the denominator, 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 for the denominator. Numerator, we got to combine like terms. So they need to have the same square root part, and they need to be imaginary or real to combine them. So we can only combine them if they have an I and if they have the same square root. So these two, I squared of 15 and 4I squared of 2, they have different square roots, so we can't combine them. We have negative square root of 6 and 4 square root of 5 that are not imaginary, but they have different square roots, so we can't combine them either. Minus the square root of 6. Can't combine any of that, so they're all separate terms.